Baik, Assalamualaikum saya mulai ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Putri Katusolihah. I want presentation about basic concept of quantitative data collection, instrument and technique. One, research instrument. Two, preparing research instrument. Three, data collection method. Four, type of quality. Five, data collection principle. Six, step of preparing research instrument. Research instrument. Research instrument is a tool used to measure the observation natural and social phenomena. Especially, all of these phenomena are called research variable. Specifically, all of these phenomena are called research variable. Preparing research instrument. Composing an instrument is basically completing an evaluation tool, because evaluating is obtaining about data about something being researched, and the result of it can be measured using standards that have been predetermined by the research. In this case, there are two types of evaluation tool that can be developed into research instrument, namely test and non-test. One, test instrument shape. Two, form of questionnaire instrument of questionnaires. Three, interview instrument form. Four, from observation instrument. Five, multi-level scale instrument shape of rating scale. Six, from of document instrument. Next, data collection method. Data collection method collection. There are various methods that we are familiar with, including interview, observation, questionnaires of and document. One, observation. Observation is a method of data collection in which researchers or their collaborators record information as they witness during the study. The role of observation can be distinguished by its participatory relationship with the group it observes, namely full participation and participation as observers. Two, survey. Survey are method of collection data by using instruments to select response from respondents about samples. Three, interview. Interviews sent from the form of questionnaire can be divided into three forms, namely a structured interview. The question direct the answer independent of the question raised. B, unstructured interview. Question can be answered friendly by respondent without being tied to certain pattern. C, mix. The form is mixture of structure and unstructured interview. 4, questionnaire. Questionnaire only different in shape. On the questionnaire, questions are in the form of unquestioned sentence. 5, documentary method document. A document is written record of various activities or event in the past. SuperSmart, for example, is a political document that records the event that occurred on March 11. Static data is a document that records various development that occur in Indonesia in a certain period of time. Next, type of quantitative. A, by nature, is a quantitative data. Quantitative data is a type of data in the form of number can be measured and also calculated using numeric variable or number type. This type of data is input into statistical measure. Qualitative data, mainly qualitative data, are narrative or descriptive in nature. Namely, is the form of verbal explain of a phenomena based on things that generally cannot be measured by numbers. One, discrete or nominal data. Nominal data is data that can only be placed sparingly discretely of in category. Two, continuum data. Continuous data is that varies according to level, and this is obtained from the measure result. This data is divided into ordinal data, interval data, and ratio data. Type of data according to how to get it. One, prima data. Prima data is directly taken from the object of research by individual, research, and organization. Two, secondary data. Secondary data is data obtained indirectly from the object of research. See, data based on data research in internal data is that description the situation and condition in organization internally. Two, external data is data that description the situation and condition that outside the organization. Next. The type of data based on the natural of data. One, discrete data is data whose value is a natural number. Two, continuous data is data whose values exist and contain in curtailly interval or are from one value to another. Next, data collection principle. One, data collection must be based on object conditional. Two, data collection or research instrument must be relevant to the purpose of the research. Three, the party contained or called the research sample must be relevant for principle of confidential. Five, ethical issue to be considered when collecting data. Next. Things to watch out for. Fully understand the problems, variable and object of the research. 2. Understand the data source of respondent. 3. Determine the validity and reality of the instrument. 4. Selection of instrument in research. Stage of preparing research instrument. The step in forming a research instrument according to Mr. Mustari and M. Rahman, including the following. 1. List the variable you want to study. 2. Estimating how to analyze data. 3. Analyze the list of variable. Use appropriate language and word. 5. Conduct research exam. 6. Reconstruction the instrument. Thank you. Any question? Mungkin teman-teman ada yang ingin bertanya. Any question, teman-teman? Baik, jika tidak ada yang ingin ditanyakan, saya akhiri. Terima kasih untuk waktunya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you. You are welcome. Terima kasih teman-teman. Selamat beristirahat.